Turning the oven on, a normal fan assisted oven at 180. And I'm going to put in this tray of plastic. And leave it in there while it comes up to temp. I just thought I'd use this time to talk about what plastics you can use. And I'm sure all of you have got them under your kitchen sink. You're looking for a number 2 and PE HD. Number 2 HDPE, number 2. Number 2 PE HD. The letters stand for polyethylene high density, or HDPE, high density polyethylene. If it's got just the triangle with the 2 in it, it's the same. I've made this, I'm not making a video on it because I want to do this video so anyone can do this at home. So if you haven't got a bit of metal, you get a bit of wood. I've got some scrap out of the garage, cut it up, made a little press. I'm going to put the plastic in there, put it in and press the handle in with 2 G-clamps or a vise, whatever you've got. I'm just going to mark where this is going to sit in here, and then put a few more teeth like they got here further down. I'm putting mine further back so there's no chance of breaking it. In this throwaway world, I think it's nice to give things a new lease of life, especially, and not wanting to throw more plastic into the sea. This is something you can do with it. See that? It's better than the original, it's more comfortable than the original handle. I'll give it a go. I'm sure it's going to work fine. Yeah, I mean, brilliant.